push them up the hill now, making sure they stay together.
Keep them moving up the ramp. Hurry now, get inside. Next truck is ready. Hup, hup, keep moving. Steady, watch your step.
All right, the barriers are open. Clear the first 2 trucks. Got it. Factory Pulsex shipment confirmed. I'll prep the dock. Guiding the Factory Pulsex shipment to staging.
Looks good from here. Maintain speed.
Watch the ramp angle, keep them moving slowly. Got the lamb here, heading to section 3.
Keep them coming, watch the ramp. All right, let's go easy now.
Keep them moving to the right. Watch the gate.
Keep it moving smoothly. All right, next one is ready for the conditioning spray. Keep them moving to the right.
Almost through the first section.
Keep them moving steady through the gate.
Scan sequence initiated. Data looks good.
The scan stabilized right on target. Look at these readings. Excellent work. The fiber integrity is unprecedented.
Move along now. Keep them moving, we're almost there.
The moisture level is stable. Good, maintain speed.
The moisture levels are stabilizing nicely on line 3.
Good. Keep me updated on the texture consistency.
Check the alignment on the next batch. The grain quality here is exceptional. Already adjusted the laser settings.
All measurements are within tolerance. Good. Let's monitor the next few cuts for consistency.
We need this entire run secured in truck 3 by 1600.
Roger that. B, verify the count on the next pallet.
Already done, C.
Easy, easy. Set it down right there.
Copy that. Moving out.
Okay, set it down right there. We can fit one more stack in this truck.
All right, I'm heading back for it.
Watch the clearance on the glass. Set that pallet down right there.
What?
Roger that. Pulling the next one now.
Careful with this one, it's heavy. Got it. Factory Pulse X on the left stack.
If you could just sign on the tablet here.
Certainly. Thank you. It's beautiful.
Here is your jacket, sir. Enjoy the fit.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
The fit on this is absolutely perfect. It looks superb on you, sir. I simply adore the color.